Service marketing is an integral part of marketing, and it was evolved in the 1970s and 80s. It has become one of the most important factors in the economy since it has increased about 70% of developing countries' GDP. It has helped to tangibilize intangible goods and also create customer loyalty. Thank you.
Service sector has become a dominant force in modern economies, contributing significantly to employment, income generation, and economic growth. As consumer needs to become more sophisticated, organizations increasingly rely on effective service marketing to create value and maintain competitive advantages. The scope of service marketing covers all activity involved in designing, delivering, promoting, and managing services. Service product development, developing services that meet consumer needs and expectations. Pricing of services, determine appropriate price for services based on a value, competition, and cost. Service promotion, communicating service offering through advertisement.
One key aspect of service marketing is understanding the characteristics of services. Unlike physical goods, services have unique features that affect how they are marketed. First, services are intangible, meaning they cannot be seen or touched before purchase. They are also inseparable, meaning production and consumption happen at the same time. In addition, services are variable, so quality may differ from one provider to the other, and perishable, meaning they cannot be stored for future use. Services also involve customer participation, do not result in ownership, and often require strong relationships between providers and customers. These characteristics make services different from goods and require specialized marketing strategies.
Differences between services marketing and goods marketing. These two concepts are differentiated based on these points. Intangibility. Services can't be touched and felt, but goods can be touched and felt. Heterogeneity. This means that services are different based on the people that perform it, but goods remain the same. Simultaneity. Goods are produced before they are used, but with services, they are being used whilst they are being produced. Perishability. This means that services are perishable because services can't be reused or resold after use, but with goods, they aren't perishable because they can last for a longer time.
Reason service marketing should be treated separately from goods marketing is because the service marketing is measured using the circle model, which includes reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibles, making customer experience very important because it influences satisfaction, loyalty, and repeat purchase. Importance of service marketing. Service marketing contributes greatly to the country's GDP. It forms 1/3 of the country's GDP. Another importance of service marketing is it creates employment opportunities. The service sector employs millions of people worldwide, dominating employment markets. This helps decrease unemployment rates in the country. Another importance of service marketing is it enhances customer satisfaction. It focuses on understanding customer needs and delivering quality experiences. This is because they have direct relationship with their customers, so it helps them understand their customers' needs and wants and provide the needed services.
Digital disruption is changing how services are delivered. We have big 6 trends under this shift. First of all, we have AI and automations. Chatbots and smart services are used to make services faster and more personalized. Secondly, we have the omni-channel delivery. Customers expect the same smooth experience whether they visit the branch, whether they are using an app, whether they are using a website. Secondly, we have the customer relationship management and data. Companies use customers' data to build strong relationship and keep loyal customers. Also, we have social engagement. Social media now shapes reputation and help businesses solve issues quickly. Last but not least, we have sustainability and ethics. Customers prefer brands that act responsibly and ethically. Finally, we have the quality measurement. Companies now use sophisticated metrics like the SEFCO and the NPS, where the NPS stands for the Net Promoter Score. These metrics are used to measure the actual human experience and also the emotional satisfaction during service.
The contributions of service marketing to the economic development of Ghana. Some of the points are employment generation. It contributes to the gross domestic product growth. It promotes tourism. It also promotes traditional trade.
Presenting on implication of managers, researchers, and policymakers. Collaboration among managers, researchers, and policymakers is essential for achieving sustainable growth, improving service delivery, enhancing customer satisfaction, and promoting economic growth development. By implementing these recommendations derived from research findings, stakeholders can create greater value for customers, society, and organizations.
Service marketing has shifted from selling goods to co-creating value through experiences, relationships, and ecosystems. There are four strategic pillars of success. The cost distills sustainable competitiveness advantage in services into four interconnected pillars. The first one is customer centricity and experience. That's the CX. They manage the full journey. Every moment of truth shapes perception. Quality. Gross expectation perception gaps, self-power or gap via consistent delivery and empowered staff. 3. Loyalty. Prioritize retention of acquisition to recover from failure brilliantly and building trust. 4. Digital. Use AI or tech to enhance or not replace human connection and enable real-time adaptation.